Hi guys, welcome to my channel NXT. In this video, we will be discussing about what are axioms. Okay, these axioms were invented by Euclid and mathematician who lived in 16th century, 17th century. He had created axioms. Now, what are the axioms? Okay, we can see universally true and need no proof. What is it? Okay, it's true. There is no need of proof. Means we no need to prove the thing. That is known as axioms. For example, human has only one brain. Human, yeah. Is there any proof that he don't have any one brain? Is there any? Is there any? Is it necessary to prove that human will only have one brain? So there is no necessary, right? So that is called an axiom. It's just a simple example for axiom. Okay, Euclid has named it as axioms. Okay, which are true and no need to prove. Those were named as axioms by Euclid. And these axioms are divided into 5 types. We will be discussing in our upcoming sessions. So, now, what are axioms? Not restricted to geometry. We can use it in geometry in any way you need, in any solution you need. Okay, valid throughout maths. This thing is valid in all the mathematics subjects. Everywhere you want to use the method, axioms you can use. So, okay, this is up for this video. Yeah, it's very small video. I have tried to just explain what are axioms in a brief way. So in our next video, we will be continuing our old series, Create Your Own Alexa using Python Part 4. Okay, in this video, in that video, we will be discussing about automation. We will automate Google Meet and we will automate online classes to join itself. And so for now, we will end this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Okay, bye.